Hey Hastings fam.
Watch this one.
Hey Hastings fam, welcome back to another video. We are having lunch. So we just ordered food. I got a brioche egg sandwich. Babe got a chicken wrap. Amirajay got wings and chips. And Deja got, what did you get? What did you get in the end?
Jordan wrap, but I took out the salmon for like a
Tuna.
chicken sausage.
Oh, ooh, okay. So she got a chicken sausage wrap.
Yeah, with like avocado and stuff.
This I've never heard of. I'm excited to see.
Really?
Anyways, so this morning we had swimming. We went to swimming this morning. I ran to town early this morning, did some shopping, ran some errands, and then later on we're actually going to the supermarket. Babe doesn't know this yet.
His face. He was like, "Are you kidding me?"
One supermarket shopping.
But we're going to the supermarket because they close at 10 p.m. So we're gonna go to the
She's like,
supermarket.
"Feed him and sweet you up first, yeah."
Gosh, yes. So how has your week been? I feel like this week went by so quick. Didn't this week go by so quick?
Like, I blinked. First of all, I feel like July is going by quick. Full stop.
What's in your drink? What did you get to drink? Ooh, is it yummy? Got apple juice.
Okay guys, so we just went now and we are gonna go get some dessert at Freeze. So guys, we're actually out celebrating because this little one got her report card, and honestly guys, I was just in so much tears because I don't know, I was just so overwhelmed with emotions. I felt so proud, like what her teachers had to say. What her teachers had to say about her was just so nice to hear. Like, she did good on everything. All her little comments on there. I'll read it out when I get home. Yeah, I could read it when I get home.
Yeah,
when I get home, I'll read it out for you guys because you guys know you're our extended family. So
Sure, like a quick.
yeah,
Sure.
I honestly can't believe she's finished with reception. Yeah. What grade are you coming into next?
Year 1.
Year 1. Can I have some? Can I have some? Sweet man. Okay, Hastings fam, we're having Biscoff bottle with strawberries and cream.
Is that Biscoff?
It's Biscoff syrup, yeah. Thank you.
Nice.
The vlog, the weekend.
Good.
First point of order. I made myself a smoothie. It's a peanut butter and granola smoothie with lots of ice and maca powder, maca root. Let me know if you know it. Anyways, so let me read the message from Amira J's teacher. Amira J is a polite, caring and enthusiastic girl. She follows the school rules, opposite to me, and also settles down really quickly in the morning. Amira J's confidence has really improved over the past few months. She's more engaged in the learning and loves to share her ideas. Amira J has started to participate more and more in class discussions and shares her ideas with the whole class. Amira J is very hardworking and tries her best every day in all lessons. Amira J has been a valued member of Apple Class and often makes her friends laugh with her great sense of humor. Amira J's social circle has expanded since the beginning of reception, and she enjoys interacting and playing with different children. Amira J loves to share during sharing time and often likes to share what she has been up to over the weekend with the rest of the class. She always completes her homework and tries really hard with completing tasks at school. She's had a great attitude towards learning. It's been a pleasure teaching you this year, Amira J, and good luck in year 1. Anyways guys, so I'm about to go do some content, edit some stuff, post some stuff. I also have a reel to edit and upload for tomorrow that I did with a brand called Hello Clean. I really enjoy, you guys know this, I love creating content. I love just getting all glammed up and everything. It is long sometimes, but the end result is so nice. Like, I just love, same reason why I love vlogging. I love going back and looking at it and be like, oh, I remember that time, and oh look, this is when Amira J had this, or oh, this is Amira J's report card.
What was that?
Comment in the comments. I got this scarf which I'm gonna tie around my neck for one of the outfits. Skirt. It's giving Barbie vibes. It's giving school, it's giving college, it's giving I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. So the skirt, cozy socks as well, anyway, that can go with some outfit. I just have the vision, I'll put it together. I also got this little cute Barbie top.
I'm a Barbie girl.
These are some black cargos.
In the Barbie
That's gonna go for one of the outfit scenes. I got this cute little leather skirt, like a leather, yeah, skirts. This is for the blazer scene for Amira. This is gonna go on the inside with some like Barbie looking print bottoms. This is her blazer top, which is so cute. Got this Barbie top, which I'm thinking, this is my PJs for the nighttime scene. Isn't that so cute? And then I got this dress. This is gonna be on the inside of my blazer outfit. Got Amira J some shades to rock with one of the outfits. This is from one of my outfits. Oh, water, I'm down for this. I'm gonna have some of this one. I also got this because I'm thinking this will go nicely with the skirt setting. Yeah, let's watch Barbie. Okay guys, behind the scenes, I've laid out the outfits roughly. I have one on. We have all the props over here, the Barbies, Little one's in her first outfit.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. One of the bodies is bad.
Hastings fam, okay, so we're getting ready to go to the Barbie movie, as I told you guys earlier on in the vlog. So we're going to start with some contacts first. So just for Kyra sent me these contacts and I am so excited. It's so fitting for the Barbie image and just premiere and everything of what's going on. So I'm actually going in with the SL70 blue. Unbox these for you guys to see. She did send me a whole box of goodies, which I'm super excited about, doing all different makeup looks for you guys. And I love the fact that each comes with a little pack. I did do a makeup look earlier on this week, so I can show you what it looks like with the contacts in. I am so excited. These containers, literally there's one for each pair, which I'm so happy about. So once I finish wearing these tonight, then I'll be able to put that away safely. So these ones come in these little pink packaging, and it's actually 2 separate ones for each eye. That's how they look in the packet, and there is 2 of them. Guys, we do have a 20% off coupon code, so if you do want to shop some contacts, the code, so it's Hastings, you get 20% off. But also I'm going to leave all the goodies in the comment section for you guys. We have buy 2 get 1 free codes, buy 3 get 3 free codes, so definitely have a look in the comments down below. Do let me know if you've copped them as well. So then after a few minutes my eye kind of gets used to it, and it will also, the redness will go away as well. Look at the difference. Oh my god. Let me zoom in out a bit. Look at the difference. Nah, this is actually mad. Let me come closer so you guys can see. Yeah, like the feeling is already going away. It's already going away. It's getting used to it already. So I'm going to put the other one in now. Come. Go, daddy, shoot, daddy, shoot. Them know who you. Them know who you. Black party for them anyway, can't see when we ready.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that's shot, my boy. Alive.
I'll be a blank campfire. I'll be a blank.
whether it's 175